My video is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the online scam that is related to the website Youronlinewebprotection.online. Some people may see these strange pop-ups by this website, and these pop-ups claim to be related to the well-known security application, but in reality such pop-ups are totally fake. They are not related to any decent security software. If you see these pop-ups by this site, Youronlinewebprotection.online, do not trust them, do not interact with them, and do not install anything that these pop-ups actually suggest. What I recommend you to do is researching the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. So go to this official resource, download the program, install the application, and then begin researching your system to identify and delete any other traces of malware which could possibly remain on the system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.